Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your SST teacher Afshin, and today our new topic is Gandhara. In this lecture, students, you will be able to describe the important features of Gandhara civilization. Let's talk about Gandhara. Gandhara was the name given to the land. It existed in what now northern Pakistan and eastern Afghanistan. It is located mainly in Peshawar on the Kabul River. Its main cities were Peshawar, Taxila and Charsadda. An important trade road went through it named Silk Road. The meaning of word Gandhara is the combination of two words Gandh, Hara. Gandh means fragrance and Hara means lands. So the simple meaning of Gandhara is land of fragrance. The ancient city of Taxila is made up of three cities, which was too much famous in the time of Gandhara. Some of the buildings are stupas. For a long time, the people of Gandhara were Buddhist. There are Buddhist monasteries around Taxila. Monastery is a place where monks live and work. Many centuries later, they became Muslims. Now it's time for the home task. Write the meaning of these words which you have to listen in this lecture also. The words are monk, Buddhist, stupa, monastery, and then send me on my email address, which is afshinsimab@gmail.com.